How can you find the nearest Zara store using the app? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to find the nearest Zara store using the app. So in order to do this procedure, you have to make sure that you are one of the member in the Zara app or that you already have an account. And then to begin with, go ahead and log into your Zara account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Here you need to go ahead and press the profile icon located right at the bottom, and while you're on this particular section or on some other section, you have to go ahead and tap on the stores from the top, and when you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of message indicating that there are no stores within a 19 mi radius of you, which means that the particular store is not available in my region or in the current location. However, you could also use the search bar tool feature and type in the name of the store or maybe the current location, and make sure to enable your location at the same time. And that is how you could go and find the nearest store, Zara store, using the app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.